We take toys almost as seriously as Santa.
The gifts that can make or break Christmas.
Season's hottest toys.
Have you ever wondered just how they determine the hottest toys of the season? Well, that's where the preschool kids at the Goddard School in Brooklyn Park come into play.
We had a hand in that.
Let's see what she gets.
They're one of 50 Goddard franchise schools from around the nation chosen to participate in a toy test.
And it's all about picking the right toys and testing them for the upcoming gift-giving season.
All right, Nathan.
The testers are these lucky preschoolers who get to experiment with 25 toys given to the school by various companies.
This is a tunnel ball game.
You need green and blue.
Each toy is designed to help kids practice their language and cognitive skills.
This is the Smarty Blocks.
Take, for instance, the Smarty Blocks.
So you're building patterns, you get a pattern card, and then it's part of the trick is to build the exact pattern or to have to ask your friends.
To avoid chaos,
What is it now?
this class has the toys organized into different groups.
They're playing with a science experiment, so finding out what colors mix together and what they will create.
It's the teacher's job to see if the kids need any guidance, and most importantly, whether they enjoy them.
The teachers ask very open-ended questions. What did you like about this toy? Which one would you want to keep in our room? Which one do you want to play with the most?
It's up to the kids to narrow it down to a top 10.
It makes blue.
So far, the science experiment gets high marks.
We really like it, so for our class, it gets the vote, I think.
The children have the whole week to make up their minds.
Blue.
What they decide will play a role in what other kids find under the Christmas tree.
I mean, the toy test is a really exciting thing because it's such a hands-on type experience. It's one of those best learning type opportunities that we get to do.
In Brooklyn Park, Delane Cleveland, 12 News.